What's up, guys? Today I'm dealing with a very clogged kitchen sink. And yes, I know that my hair is getting quite long, but I'm not quite sure when I'm going to cut it yet or if I'm even going to cut it. But anyways, I'm starting off by cutting the pipe just under where the sink is located. There's been a garbage disposal installed for a really long time. I'm not sure exactly how long or when the garbage disposal was installed, but with how long it has been installed, it's been a freaking huge issue. So I'm going to be cutting the pipe right under the kitchen sink, and we're about to see how badly the pipe has clogged and why the kitchen sink is kind of backing up and the garbage disposal has not been working ever since. So I'm completely getting rid of the garbage disposal, and let's see how bad it looks. Well, I would say that is why the sink's not draining. That's yeah, that's pretty gnarly. Same thing right there. Disgusting. Alright, I've gotten this end cut off already, and I've already cut through a pretty good chunk of this side with a hand hacksaw because I wanted to get the water drained out of it. Because I think it is clogged even, I don't know how far into this main pipe. Hopefully only to like right here. That way I can try to clean it out once I get it cut and get the new pipes run. And I don't know if you can see here, this green wire right here. That's going up to the dishwasher. So it looks like they have a 2-wire non-grounded cloth wire going up to the dishwasher, and then they just grounded it to this pipe. So obviously this is going to get taken out. We're not going to use the dishwasher until I can replace this wiring with proper Romex. But I want to get this pipe out of the way, get the new PVC in, and see what we can do. See, there's still nasty water coming out. Yuck. Oh, there we go. Gross. Doesn't smell very great either. Yeah. That's pretty disgusting too. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna have to try to clean that out as best I can before, well, yeah. I'm not too worried about cleaning it that much because I'm quickly temporarily rubber clamping PVC on to there. I'm going to be obviously replacing the rest, but for now we just need to get our kitchen sink working so we can do dishes and everything like that. So that's the plan. But I'm going to try to scrape out as much as I can, and once I cut into you, I'm hoping it doesn't look too terrible inside. Don't want any clogs happening on that thing, that's for sure. So this is the rubber coupler I was talking about. 1.5 inch. It's for connecting cast iron to plastic. You see CI to plastic. So I'm going to use that on this guy, and then it's going to be PVC from there. Alright, so I got some primer and cement here, as well as I got a bunch of these fittings. These are just a couple that I think I'm going to need. 245s and a 90. I'm going to use these guys to kind of go around the copper pipes and get everything to fit. We're going to start with priming the pieces that I'm going to attach. I can get this thing open. It's pretty tight. Alright, so I got you open. And I'm already spilling a little bit. Careful. I'm going to use the 45. This stuff is strong. Dripping all over. That's fine. So just go ahead and prime the inside of this guy real quick. That's good. I'm going to do the same for the pipe that's coming down through the floor. That's some strong smelling. I'm gonna let those dry a little bit, and then I'll put the cement around the pipe and slide the fitting on and go from there. Okay, this should be interesting. I have to coat the inside of this and the outside of that, and then put it together. Yeah, how am I supposed to do that? Before it dries? Yep, well, guess we'll see if I can do it. Well, hopefully that works. I'll put 2 coats on it. Cement looks kind of chunky and weird. Hopefully it's okay. Stirred it up a little bit, but I guess we'll see. Alright, so it's not perfect. It's got quite a slope to it. You see there. Which, it's not a bad thing. This is temporary. I'm gonna end up ripping all of this out anyways when we go to completely redo the kitchen. But the kitchen is gonna stay the way it is now because we're working on the bathroom and this whole setup. So when I get to doing all of this, I'll be able to just put a regular coupler or even just the rubber coupler since it's temporary over here and finish all of this stuff up in the bathroom as well. But basically, it's not perfect at all, actually. Like, so up here, you know, it's coming down and everything. Probably hard to tell, especially in the video. So I'm gonna try to get it as best I can. Yeah, you can see that. It's a little bit low right here. So it's gonna pull just a little bit of water. It's not that bad. It's not nearly as bad as it was, but I'm hoping that this will work for now. So now it's time to do all the plumbing under the sink. That's gonna be fun.